누가 먹었나?
And today I'm gonna play the Subway Surfers Underwater update. So it's been released today and I just want to check it out. Let's see. Okay, so I unlocked the underwater outfit for Joe, and goodness, so fascinating. Oh my goodness, there's a shark, be careful. And I also haven't on the raid board because I haven't unlocked the fiber board yet. Oh, jellyfish, be careful not to get stung. Yeah. This is the shipwreck. Wow. Even the obstacles have underwater themes like seaweed. Wow. So fascinating. Honestly, finally a good Subway Surfers update. Oh my goodness, the Kraken. Finally a good Subway Surfers update after so long. Like since Shenzhen, almost all the Subway Surfers updates are mediocre, apart from Loyang. Yeah, apart from Loyang, almost all the Subway Surfers updates are mediocre after Shenzhen. Yes. Wow, be careful. I wonder what's above the surface. Like, when's it my turn? Wouldn't I love long to explore that shore up above? Out of the sea, wish I could be part of that world. Little Mermaid reference. Oh. Anyways, guys, did you see the Little Mermaid trailer for the remake? Guys, to be honest, I'm not a fan of Disney remakes, so I'm probably gonna set this one out. Oh, treasure chest. Nice. So fascinating. Finally a good Subway Surfers update after so long. An improvement over Space Station. Oh, random board. Daredevil board. So many jellyfish. Wow. How would you rate this update? I'll rate it like a 9 out of 10. Only problem is, you know, event coins and some others. Oh, yes, just the event coins and how long it takes to get characters. Like, I need to complete the season hunt for a month so that I can get the characters that I want to unlock. Or let's say and extend outfits. Yeah, outfits. And to be honest, there should be a new character for the underwater update instead of releasing outfits. Yeah, that's why I'll rate the underwater update a 9 out of 10. Yes, it's fascinating, but I think they can have some improvement over the season hunt and a new characters. Yes. Anyways, I think that's it for today, and this Wimbistry here signing off. Bye bye.